Hi, my name is Nabill Shukry and I run a business called Cheekies. So we are a meal prep service that aims to make your meal prep much more enjoyable and tastier. So being from a rental flat, coming from that background, sometimes there's no food on the table. Sometimes no electricity in my home sometimes. I think that's when it taught me that nobody feeds you. The only person you can rely on is yourself. So I started very young. There were sprinkles of entrepreneurship throughout the journey, mainly inspired by my dad. From 13 years old, I started selling MP3s, MP4s on Facebook. All those iPod, right? Yeah. So, but then I really get into it when I was in 2015. I remember I attended a RP workshop. There was this entrepreneur that sells board games. I can't really remember what he said actually, but I remember like, hey, wow, I want to do this. It started a fire in me to, hey, this business thing could work. And then back then I was very skinny. I weigh about 40 kilos. Imagine that. Now I'm 60 kilos. Chicken breast is my main enemy. So, because it's dry, okay, why not we make chicken breast tender and juicy? At first, it started like a side hustle. We actually had no big ambitions. But then we started to see, a lot of people share the same problem. People message me, hey, I finally can eat chicken breast. So that makes us like, okay, this idea actually has legs to it lah. Then we start to expand from there. Back then, commercial and home-based, we only can serve B2C. But now we want to go into frozen mats. Right now we already have 2 frozen mats selling our product, and hopefully big brands, small market can sell our product as well. RP sent me to an overseas internship in Jakarta. Right, so that's when I met a lot of entrepreneurs there. So right now we are trying to make Cheekies self-run in Singapore and be very strong before we can expand to overseas. So that one I target maybe end of 2026 or 2027.